TechQuest is a week-long training conference with a huge amount of hands-on technical training designed to develop and refine your knowledge of Hyland solutions.
It's not a sales pitch conference, it's a learning conference. And you spend the entire week in training sessions learning about different products in the OnBase platform.
When you're redoing the certifications, you can also look at specific needs for them, like for example, workflow. And think of the different workflows, situations that are coming up, and ways to integrate the knowledge from the certification on it.
I thought of OnBase as a document management solution, and when I came to TechQuest, it just blew my mind at how big the product is and how many different solutions it can do. So it transitioned OnBase from a document management solution to us to an avenue for integration and supporting integration in our organization.
So yeah, there's a lot going on at TechQuest. Register today for an upcoming conference on Hyland University.